Okay, I'm going to give you three things or three reasons why I think the ClearCryptos swap is better so far than the other swaps so far. I would say an advantage or a positive advantage, I should say. Let's break this down right now. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain's here, and let's go through the content. So here's the ClearCryptos swap that you see here. To me, it's simple, it's easy, and it's not as busy, and it gets right to the point. But here's a couple other swaps. This is the Pancake swap, and this is the Uniswap. Now, the thing about that I like about the ClearCryptos, one of them is the interface. The interface to me just looks good. It's not as busy. It gets to the point. The colors, the scheme, I think is very simple. So if I'm a new investor, I'm looking for something very simple. Now, I do think Uniswap has that simplicity as well, but the interface does not really do much for me as well. Where I go to ClearCrypto, it's branding, it's color, it's exciting. To me, I think it's definitely a win here. Number two, the second thing is that's going to be easy to use. Now, to me, ClearCryptos is very easy to use. So when I go click here, and it automatically kind of gives me information, I don't have to worry about the slippage and things like that. Where on other swaps, I constantly have to worry about the settings, the slippage, and a new investor is really not going to really understand what slippage is all about in terms of getting through their transaction and everything. So ClearCryptos scores a win in terms of simplicity and eliminating the actually slippage situation because it's already built in there as well. So that's number two. Number three, to me, if I go look at Pancake Swap and Uniswap and ClearCryptos, I just think ClearCryptos is definitely got something where I think is going to offer more to new investors. So prime example, look at this. ClearCryptos is proud to announce the first utility for the project. So this means is if you hold any ClearCryptos tokens, the swap fees are slashed by 50%. So it's already giving you some type of this advantage and a discount just by using the platform. Obviously, you got to use the ClearCryptos, but at least it's giving you a discount already. And to me, that is really scores good for me as well. So those are three things that I like so far. I'm saying it scores good on in terms of the interface, easy to use, and you get some discounts if you hold every once in a while if ClearCrypto does a discount on the swap. And I think also ClearCryptos, this is just the beginning of the swap. There's more things going to be entitled into the swap. So they're not just to have some swap that's here. They're implementing more things in there to make things simple and very easy for new investors like you and me. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain's here, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Check it out. More information on this channel. You do it each and every single day.